Hey gamers, let's get technical for a moment. When we talk about how a game looks, the first big factor is global illumination, or GI for short. GI is basically how light bounces around a scene, not just direct sunlight or a lamp, but the soft glow of that light hitting walls, floors, and objects. It's what makes a digital world feel real and not flat. Now, the modern trend is RTGI, ray traced global illumination. Sounds fancy, but here's the truth. It's expensive in terms of GPU load, and ironically, it often feels a bit soulless. Back in the day, games like Assassin's Creed Unity and Crysis 3 pulled off stunning GI using clever baked lighting and screen space tricks, giving us richer, warmer atmospheres at a fraction of the cost of today's so-called cutting-edge Unreal ray trace solutions. Now, let's talk anti-aliasing. That's the technique used to smooth jagged edges in games. Without it, every diagonal line looks like a staircase. The industry standard these days is TAA, temporal anti-aliasing. It works by blending frames together over time, which does reduce jaggies, but often introduces blur, ghosting, and input lag. Worse, it's heavy on performance. Compare that to SMAA, subpixel morphological anti-aliasing. This method analyzes the image itself and smooths out edges intelligently, offering sharper visuals at up to 7 times less GPU cost than TAA. Older games like Tomb Raider look cleaner and snappier thanks to SMAA. And of course, the true king is MSAA, multi-sample anti-aliasing, which samples multiple points on each pixel for pristine edges, though it's also very resource hungry. Interestingly, DLAA, or Deep Learning Anti-Aliasing, is a newer option that leverages AI to clean up frames, and it feels like a balanced alternative that combines clarity with modern tech. Finally, let's hit upscaling. DLSS, FSR, XES, you've heard the buzzwords. These techniques render the game at a lower resolution and then use clever reconstruction, sometimes AI-driven, to scale it up, saving performance. But here's my hot take. Upscaling should not be an excuse for lazy optimization. Too many modern releases like Avowed or Monster Hunter Wilds lean on upscaling to mask unoptimized assets and bloated systems. Instead, upscaling should be a tool to extend the life of older graphics cards, letting gamers enjoy crisp visuals without brute forcing everything at native resolution. So, yeah, the tech has evolved, but not always in the right direction. Sometimes the older methods were smarter, sharper, and way more efficient.